Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran easily and properly with proper pronunciation and tajweed, then subscribe to this channel. Inshallah, in a very short time, you will be able to read and learn Quran. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture is about movements and Tanween, that how letters with signs, with Arabs, with movements are read, and how these letters joined to form a word, how these words are then read in a verse. So let's start our lecture. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لام دمالو با فتحة با لبا دال دبل فتحة دن لبدن لبدن. If you stay lobada, lobada, while there is alif at the end, so stretch the letter at the end while staying lobada. First, the lam with dhamma, it becomes, then ba with fatha, it becomes ba. So it becomes, connect the first with the second, loba. Then the third dal with double fatha, it becomes dan, dan. So it becomes lobadan, lobadan. So there is alif at the end. So stretch it, so long it, it will be read it while staying lobada, lobada. Next is lam damalu, mim pathama, loma, za pathaza, lomaza, lomaza, ta double kasratin, lomazatin, 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 while staying lomazah, lomazah. This ta will double kasratin, it will be converted to ha, lomazah, lomazah. Next is lam pathala, ha pathaha, laha, ba double kasra bin, lahabin, lahabin, while staying lahab, lahab, lahab. This ha will be read as ear comes out from mouth. Ha pathaha. So it is lahabin, lahabin. While staying, it is lahab, lahab. Next is mim pathama, sin pathasa, masa, dal double kasra din, masadin, masadin. While staying masad, masad. While reading mim, the both lips are touched together, mim pathama. While sin, the vowel sound comes out, sin pathasa, and dal will double kasra din. It will goes, the sound will goes to nose, dal double kasra din. So it becomes masadin, masadin, while staying masad, masad. Next is noon fathana, kha kasra khi, नाखी, ra fatha ra, nakhira, nakhira, ta double fatha tan, nakhiratan, nakhiratan, while staying nakhira, nakhira, ha, the tha will double fatha tan, it will be converted to ha, nakhira, nakhira. Next is waw fatha wa, jim fatha ja, waja, dal fatha da, wajada, 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 while staying wajad, wajad, waw fatha wa, sin fatha sa, wasa, qaf fatha qa, wasaqa, wasaqa, while staying wasaq, wasaq, wasaq. Next is waw fatha wa, qaf fatha qa, waqa, ba fatha ba, waqaba, 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 while staying waqab, waqab, waw fatha wa, lam fatha la, wala, dal fatha da, walada, walada, while staying walad, walad, walad. Next is waw fatha wa, ha fatha ha, waha, ba fatha ba, wahaba, 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 while staying wahab, 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 ha dammahu, mim fatha ma, huma, za fatha za, humaza, humaza, ta double kasratin, humazatin, humazatin, while staying humazah, humazah, ta will double kasratin will be converted to ha, and while reading za, the both jaws are close together with force, za fatha za, so it becomes humazatin, while staying humazah, humazah. Next is ha dammahu, dal double fatha dan, hudan, while staying huda, huda, while there is ya at the end, so the word while reading, while staying, and this word reading you will stretch it, huda, huda, and while reading it continuously, the ya will not be read, and it will be read it as hudan, hudan. Read it again, ha dammahu, dal double fatha dan, hudan, hudan, while staying huda, huda, the ya gives the sound of one alif, so we will stretch the letter huda, huda. So alhamdulillah, our lesson number 6 is completed, and try it again and again, practice it, download this video and watch again and again and practice it, because it is very helpful and very important. Thank you. We will meet in lesson number 7. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.